Hi, this tutorial will be about iridescence property in Material Editor. Iridescence is the effect which makes changes of color on the surface caused by angle of incidence of the light. In real life, it happens when on the surface there is very thin coating caused, for example, by oil or some other special coating. I'm going to show you this effect on sphere and cube objects. So I will modify sphere and cube material number 3. When I enable this effect, you will see that some kind of rainbow appear on the surface. This effect appear in the places where there are specular highlights. If I increase intensity of the effect, you will see that it's more visible. I can modify how colors are distributed by simulating changes of thickness of subsurface which is on the object. This iridescence effect also works with reflections. So if object has high reflectance, you see that reflectance is affected by iridescence effect. That's all about iridescence property of material.